Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two amazing cameras, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Fujifilm X-S20. We'll be diving deep into their features, performance, and overall value for money. So if you're as excited as we are, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E comes in at $899, while the Fujifilm X-S20 is priced at $1,299. Both cameras offer fantastic value for their respective price range, but if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E might be the way to go. In terms of image quality, both cameras deliver outstanding results. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor with ISO range up to 25600, expandable to 51200. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-S20 boasts a 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor paired with the X-Processor 5 imaging engine. You can expect stunning, detailed images straight out of the camera with both options. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras excel. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E features an improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF, which is ideal for both still photography and video. The Fujifilm X-S20, on the other hand, introduces a new AF algorithm with subject detection functionality, ensuring fast and accurate autofocus performance. If you're into videography, both cameras offer some impressive features. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E supports 4K UHD 24p and HD 120p for slow-motion shots. It also has a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, which is great for vlogging. The Fujifilm X-S20 is no slouch either, with the ability to shoot 4K 60p footage, stream directly from USB-C, and record up to 6.2K 30p video in 4:2 to 10-bit color. Both options are excellent for capturing high-quality videos. When it comes to additional features, both cameras have their own strengths. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E offers built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy connectivity. It also includes a combination tripod grip and remote, and a stereo microphone for high-quality audio. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-S20 boasts a 180 degrees vari-angle LCD touchscreen, improved in-body image stabilization (IBIS), and an upgraded battery that delivers impressive longevity. And there you have it, our comparison of the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Fujifilm X-S20. Both cameras are fantastic choices, but the right one for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video was helpful in making your decision. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.